Hi, and welcome back to our series on summer fruits or simply fruit in season. This afternoon I have a very lovely piece of watermelon. To serve a watermelon, you need a sharp knife. Cut a little piece that you think you can handle. Slice into smaller pieces. And then slice the fruit gently off the cover, the peel, and chop into small edible mouthful sizes. You can serve on the plate as it is. You can also serve watermelon separately onto plates. Thank you for watching our series on how to walk or serve a range of fruits. See you next time. Bye-bye.